Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and then let's enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this three bars icon and choose My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending. So if you want to update only one of those apps or two, just find them and tap on update right next to it. For example, the Gmail. Let's tap on update. As you can see, it disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and applied. If you want to update all of those apps, just tap on update all and all of them will be installed and updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.